This is Stateroom 9608. It's a junior suite on Royal Caribbean's Mariner of the Seas. Come in the door, the bathroom, one sink, and your vanity mirrors, medicine cabinets on both sides. And the suites have a bathtub and a shower. There's a full-length mirror. On this side is the walk-in closet. We're rocking around. These are very rough. There's a closet here. Thermostat. Vanity. Flat screen TV, and it does have hookups if you want to bring your own DVD player or game systems. We've had a DVD player. Under here is a mini fridge. They do not stock it with alcohol. They stock it with M&M's, Snickers, roasted peanuts, and shortbread cookies, and Evian water, and your standard colas, and Red Bull. Prices are there. Suites have a coffee maker, and they bring you decaf or regular coffee pods to put in it. This one doesn't work very well. It sputters and spits coffee everywhere except in the cup. You get a chair, an ottoman, a king-size bed or two twins, a couch. There is a coffee table, but it's over there with the fan on it. Excuse the mess, we're packing up, it's the last day. We have windows and the balcony. Two chairs, a table, and a lounge chair. And this is the middle of the ocean heading back to Galveston. That is a junior suite on the Mariner of the Seas.